Good morning, guys. Today we are starting Indian polity, and this is the first lecture of Indian polity. We are starting from the basics like constitutions and democracy. Let's start with the constitutions. So, what is constitution? Constitution is supreme law of the land, or we can say ordinary law enacted by parliament or state legislative assembly. And the parliament and state legislative assembly subordinate to the constitution. Okay. Also, constitutions defines power of every organ of the governments. So, constitution defines organ of the government means there is three organ of the governments. First one is legislative, second one is executive, and third one is judiciary. It is legislature. Legislatures, it's a house of people and council of state, or it is a lawmaking body. Executive, just like prime minister, just like president, just like council of ministries. Executive means they execute the state or country. Judiciary, settlement of disputes. So the mechanism of judiciary is settlement of disputes. Judiciary means Supreme Court, High Court, or District Court. Constitution also put limitation over various organs of the government. And Constitution is a document of a social change and social justice. Or social revolution. And constitution is not merely legal document in India, right? And these three are actual mechanism of constitution. Objective, goal or philosophy of Indian constitution. Objective, goal or philosophy of Indian constitution. Preamble, fundamental rights, liberty, directive principle, let's understand democracy. What are the features of democracy? First, democracy always with the consent of the people. Governments are formed by election, so elected government. Will of the people is important. Government is accountable towards the people. And peoples are master in constitution with the democracy. So here peoples are the master. It means sovereignty. And these features are established the form of government with democracy. Let's understand some more features of democracy on the basis of caste, religion, sex, race. Majority will not suppress minority. Absence of patriarchy. These features establish the form of society. Okay, let's understand some more features. Dignity of the person is equally important in democracy. Liberty of a person is important. Equality of a person. Fraternity of a person. These all are important as per the democracy. These features are showing the values and ideas of a person, and this is a very beautiful features of democracy in our constitution. Let's understand constitutionalism. It refers the values and ideas of the constitution. And values and ideas stand for liberty, equality, and fraternity. In constitutionalism, supremacy of the constitution is the main essence. And making constitution supreme. Limiting the power of government, and it is essential for a country or mandatory for a country's peoples, and limiting power of government is directly related to unlimited scope of liberty. So it is pushing the unlimited scope of public liberty. So what is constitutional government? Constitutional government, it's a limited government, supremacy of constitution, maximum rights and liberty of public, constitutional government is present like USA and our country India. Now understand what is limited government. Limited government means limited through constitution. And why it's limited? Because of protecting liberty and rights. One more synonymous term of constitutional government and limited government is rule of law. What is rule of law? It is nothing. It is rules for everyone. Just like it's for the judges also. It's for the makers also. This is rule of law. Rule of law is opposite to rule of law minister, and it is a opposite to law of ruler. We are ending our class from rule of law and hope we will meet in the next class. Thank you.